This video seventh is to analyze the planets. Here, the most difficult part of astrology begins. Interpretation of the planets. The way to interpret the planets is, firstly, it is important to choose one planet and to see if this planet is good or bad planet. Good planets are Sun, Jupiter, and Venus. Bad planets are Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, and Mars. And Moon depends on the position of the Moon, and Mercury is neutral. Okay, firstly, for interpreting a planet, you have to see if the planet is a good or a bad planet. The second thing that you have to consider is the position of the planet. And here it is very important to know that a planet is well in 3 signs, bad in other 3 signs, and normally in the other 6 signs. Each planet is different. For example, Venus is in a good sign in Libra, Taurus, and Pisces. It is necessary to search in internet in what signs a planet is good, is well or bad. This is the second thing. And after that, it is important to consider that in the astral map there are 12 sectors. You can see numbers in the astral map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12 sectors. And when a planet is in the 8th or 12th sector, these 2 sectors are bad sectors. A planet in these 2 sectors are bad. It is important to consider if a planet is in one of these 2 sectors or not. Okay, the following thing that it is important to consider is, in other video, because it is important to consider the other planet who is the regent or the ruler, the planet who is the boss of other planet. For example, it is something that I want to explain in the following audio because it is a little difficult. Then, for example, I want to analyze my Venus. My Venus is in Virgo. Venus is bad in Virgo. Then my Venus is not in a good place, in a good position. The influence is not good. And is my Venus in the sector 8 or 12? Not at all. My Venus is not in these 2 bad sectors. Then this is the position of my Venus. After that, we need to consider more things. But now only the sign that a planet is and if the planet is or not in the 2 bad sectors. For example, my Mars is in a good position because my Mars in Scorpius. And Mars in Scorpius is in a good sign. For example, my Saturn is in a very, very, very good place because it's in Capricorn, and Saturn in Capricorn is in a very good place, in a very good sign. My Uranus is very bad. Why? Because my Uranus is in Leo. That is a very bad sign for Uranus. And as well, my Uranus is in the 8th sector. This planet is the planet that is worst in my astral map. This is an example. In the next video or audio, I am going to explain, or I am explaining what is the, or which are the ruler planets. This is very, very important. This is in the next audio. Thank you.